The De'Longhi Livenza 7-in-1 multi-cooker is a versatile kitchen appliance that combines the functions of a slow cooker, bake, brown, sauté, rice cooker, steamer, and warmer. It features a programmable interface that allows you to easily set the cooking time and temperature for your desired recipes. Here are some key features of the De'Longhi Livenza 7-in-1 multi-cooker. 1. 7 functions. This multi-cooker offers 7 cooking functions in one appliance. You can use it as a slow cooker for slow cooking of stews, soups, or roasts. It also functions as a bake oven for baking cakes, bread, or casseroles. Additionally, it can be used for browning, sautéing, steaming, and as a rice cooker or food warmer. 2. Programmable Interface. The appliance has a user-friendly control panel with programmable settings. You can easily set the desired cooking time, temperature, and function for your recipe. Once programmed, the cooker will automatically switch to the keep warm mode when the cooking is complete. 3. Non-stick dishwasher safe pot. The 6-quart pot included with the multi-cooker is non-stick and dishwasher safe, making it convenient to clean. The non-stick surface prevents food from sticking and allows for easy food release. 4. Versatile cooking options. With its multiple functions, the De'Longhi Livenza multi-cooker offers a wide range of cooking options. You can slow cook a hearty stew, bake a cake, sauté vegetables, steam seafood, or make perfectly cooked rice, all in one appliance. 5. Stainless steel construction. The multi-cooker features a stainless steel exterior, which not only provides durability but also gives it an attractive and sleek appearance that can complement your kitchen decor. Overall, the De'Longhi Livenza 7-in-1 multi-cooker is a versatile and convenient kitchen appliance that allows you to prepare a variety of dishes with ease. Its programmable interface, non-stick pot, and multiple cooking functions make it a versatile tool for any home cook.